there's no way this is actually happening. Josh, why don't you tell them what I did?
Believable what you just did. I don't even want to tell them what you did. I think we have to wait.
Bro, this is like literally that car that like everybody, at least like most teenagers, think about it. If you think about it, kind of more rare than like the two-door. Oh, I now have an F80. I am so hyped, bro. Like, this is actually the craziest day of my life.
W, I'd be right there too.
At the auction?
Yeah.
Told you shut them. What'd they forget there? Oh. Serious right now?
Get going. All the way forward.
Oh my goodness. This is not real carbon. Oh my gosh. Needs a new fender. Low key, if the paint's not that scratched, but what do you think? Should I get? Headlights fine, which we got very lucky. I don't think it's gonna feel real until I actually drive the car, and the reason I'm saying that is because I need to get keys for the car, and that's gonna take a little bit. And gosh, any like newer car like this, the seat belts have to get shipped out. We got keys programmed.
Yo, the turbo is blown, question mark? Roman, I promise you it's just cold outside.
And the smoke from the exhaust was not what I thought it was. Like the turbo, I initially thought the turbos were gone, but we let it idle for like 30 minutes and the car did sit for like a year and a half. Never got started once. I have no idea, but it runs amazing now. Okay, we are driving the M3 right now, and it drives amazing. I'm not gonna lie. This is like the perfect scenario when buying one of these wrecked, huh? Like,
Oh yeah.
this thing we got really lucky. It pulls really hard. I don't think I've ever actually driven like a stock M3 or M4. But it pulls. It feels really good. I know the competition has a different tune. It's like 20 more horsepower, but there's no way you can actually feel that, or it's probably just a light difference in torque. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I'm so impressed.
He's not.
How do you do burnouts in this car?
You like instantly pin it to the ground and it dumps the clutches and starts spinning, and then you press the brake. It takes corners so nice. Crazy.
Until you hit gravel.
Traction kick. First time ever sliding it out.
Oh. Yes, sir! Yo, how do you feel about that one? First try, yes, sir.